Hello and welcome to Technical Skillz YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali with another video of Android development. Today in this video I'm going to create RecyclerView. As you can see here in emulator, I will create this RecyclerView from scratch. So how we can create this beautiful RecyclerView? Let's get started. So first of all, we will add the dependency of material design, and also we will add the dependency of circle image view. The material design dependency used for CardView and over RecyclerView, so that's why I'm using this dependency. So go to build.graded material app file and just simply paste it here. Okay, now click on sync now. Okay, now go to activity XML and here we will add over RecyclerView. So add RecyclerView, that will be match parent, height will be match parent, and give the ID RecyclerView. Okay, now close it and go to design and add the constraint from all sides. Select this RecyclerView and click on this button and it will automatically add the constraint from all the sides. Okay, now go to activity main.xml, Java, and here we will initialize over RecyclerView. So create member variable RecyclerView, and inside this onCreate method RecyclerView equal to find view by ID r.id.RecyclerView. Okay, now RecyclerView.set layout manager, new linear layout manager, and here we will pass the context. I'm using the linear layout manager because we have only one item in our row, so that's why I'm using linear layout. If you want to add more than one item in one row, then you need to use grid layout. Okay, now we will create over single layout. So here you can see single view item. This is one item that we will create here. So go to our layout and here we will right click new and select layout resource file, and here we will call it single view item. Okay, now go to text and here we will add press alt control L, and here we will add first CardView. So select here match parent and height will be 100 dp. Okay, now select margin and here we will select margin 10 dp and select the corner radius, that will be 8 dp. Okay, now just close it. Okay, now go to design and add the constraint of this CardView to constraint layout. So here we will add the constraint. Here you can see our constraint added. So now go to text again and here we will add constraint layout inside this CardView. Constraint layout, that will be match parent, height will be match parent, and just close it. Inside this constraint layout we will add circle image view. We have added the dependency of circle image view, so select this circle image view. Width will be 80 dp and height will be 80 dp. Okay, now give the ID and here I will add profile image. Okay, now give the source and here I will select source, select any source from tribal. I select IC launcher. Okay, now go to design and add the constraint of this image. So select this one and add the constraint from top, from left, and also give a margin from left ADP, from top ADP, and also from bottom. Okay, now we will add text view for username. So drag here text view and add the constraint from right, left, and also from top. Okay, now give a margin from top ADP and change it into match parent. Now give the ID into username and select a margin from left into 16 dp. Okay, now here we will change the text. So I will change here text into username. Okay, now change the text color. I will change the text color into color primary. Okay, now change the text size. So here I will choose 24 dp and text style into bold. Okay, now change the font. So I will type here font and click here and scroll down and click on more font. So here we will type Arizona and select this one. Okay, now select again text view and drag here, and now here we will add the constraint. I will add the constraint from all side and change the width into match parent, and select a margin from left 16 dp. Now change it into username description. Okay, now change the text into this is username description. Okay, now change the text size, and here I will select into 18 dp. Okay, now change the font, and again we select Arizona. Okay, go to text again, and here finally we will change it to wrap content. Okay, now we will create our model class for user data. So here right click Java class, and here we will type users, and we need three things. First one, private int image profile. Second one, private string username, and third one, user description. Now press Alt insert to make the constructor. Select all the field, hit enter. Now press Alt insert again and select getters and setter. Make sure you have select again all the fields. Okay, now our model class is ready. Now we need adapter, so right click new and select Java class. Here we will call it RecyclerView adapter and hit the enter. Now here we need to extend with adapter and select the brackets, and here we will type RecyclerView adapter same, and here we will type my view holder. Okay, now click anywhere on this line, press Alt enter to implement the methods and click OK. Again click on this one, press Alt enter to create the class inside over this RecyclerView adapter. Now again click here, press Alt enter to create over my view holder, and now click here Alt enter to create the constructor. Okay, now our RecyclerView adapter is created. Now we need to inflate our layout. So inside this on create view holder, so here we will create view equal to layout inflator dot from parent dot get context. We will get the context from this parent. So now we need to inflate, so r dot layout dot single view item. Okay, now second parameter is our parent group. Again we will pass here parent, and finally we will pass here boolean tag, so I will pass here false. Okay, now we have access over layout that we have created here, single view item. So now we need to pass this layout to my view holder so we can access the data of the single view. So here we will create new my view holder and pass this view. Okay, now here we will access member variables. So first one is our circle image view, so profile image, and second one is our text view, that is for username, and third one is our user description. Okay, now initialize inside our constructor. So profile image equal to item view dot find view by id r dot id dot profile image. Now username user description equal to item view dot find view by id r dot id dot user description. Now finally we will add username. Okay, now here we will create our constructor. So first we need to get the context, so here we will create context, and here we will get the list of the users. So here I will get the list of users, so pass here user and call it list. Okay, now press Alt insert and create the constructor. Make sure you have select both field. Now inside this onBind view holder we will assign the data to this single view layout, this one. Okay, now here we will call holder dot profile image dot set image resources. So here we will get the image from list. So list dot get, here we will pass position dot get profile image. We will get the image from our user class, and now we need to add holder dot username dot set text, and here we will pass list dot get, and here we will pass again position dot get username. Now duplicate this line and change our username into user description. Okay, now our RecyclerView adapter is ready. Now go to our main activity, and here we will create the list of the data. So first we need to add the images inside this our drawable, so we can assign these images to our view folder. So I have already images inside on my folder, so I will copy all the images and simply paste inside our drawable. So here we will paste that all the images inside this drawable. So now we need to create the array of these images. So here I have already created the array of the images. Here you can see, here we have array of the images r.drawable.a, b and c and so on. Okay, now we need username array list. Here you can see, here we have array of username. So again I will copy and paste the username. So go to our string, and here we will paste that array. Here is array of usernames, and here is our description. I use same description for all the users. Okay, now finally we need to access our description. Okay, now by using these arrays we can access all the images and username from our drawable and string XML. So now we need to create our list. So here we will create list, and this list will be of user, and here we will call it list equal to new array list. Okay, now here we will create the loop to assign all the images and username to this list, and finally we will pass this list to our RecyclerView. So here we will create loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than username length, and I++. Now here we will assign all the data to our users. So here we will create user equal to new users, and here we need first one is our profile image, and here we will pass our index, and here we need to pass the index and comma. Now second parameter is our username, so I will get the username from this array. So username of I, and final parameter is our user description. I will use same description for all the users. Okay, now we will add this user to over this array. So here we will use list dot add, and here we will pass this user. Okay, when our loop is completed over all the images and username assigned to this over list. So now we will create our adapter. So here we will create RecyclerView adapter, and just simply call it adapter. And after this loop we will assign this list to this adapter, and here we will pass new RecyclerView adapter. Here we need to pass two parameters. First one is our context, and second parameter is our list. So here we will pass our list that we have added here, this one, and RecyclerView dot set adapter, and here we will pass adapter. Sorry, it's adapter. Okay, now we have one more thing. Here we have to add our size, total size. So here we will pass list dot size. Must add this line, otherwise our RecyclerView will not showing the items. So let's run the application and let's see it's working or not. Okay, here you can see it's looking nice. Our RecyclerView is perfect working. So if you want to add background color of this RecyclerView, you can add here. Go to activity main, and here we will add the background of this recycler view. So select here background, and here we will select any color. Let's say I type here FF, and here we will change it into gray color. Let's say I select this one, not this one. Yeah, like this, and let's run it again. Okay, now it's looking nice. You can see here our views are clearly visible. You can see here it's looking nice. So in the next video we will add our search view here, and we will perform search view on this recycler view. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Take care.